Alright, we got a little cooking with Kevin going on here. Gotta turn on the APU, make sure temperature mode is off. Yes, please, and thank you. Okay. Come on now. Get this out the way. I'm tired. I am tired. Videos uploading now. Oh, okay. Okay. Alrighty. Pringles, or whatever the hell these are, Funyuns. Oh yeah. Might as well get this going. Oh man. Freaking hate these packages. Ugh. That's what car keys are for, right? Yes, sir. All right, teeth in. That's all set. I need my spoon and my sauces, spices, or whatever I should say. All right. Let's get this going. Salt. Whatever the fuck this is. Danos. Well, I got Danos. Do I really need this? No, I don't need it. I got Danos. Danos is tried and true. I do need pepper though. Do need pepper for sure. Yeah. Can opener. Okay. Some spray stuff would be good, yeah? Where'd I put it though? No. 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 I swear I had some like right here. Yeah, there we go. I knew it. empty. Man, it's been defrosting. It's been in the fridge all day and it's still not even fully defrosted. I can't believe it, bro. It's been like 13 hours since I put it in the refrigerator. Alright, this ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work. Alright, here we go. Flip her over. This is why I tried to defrost it, man, so I wouldn't have this issue of breaking up the ground meat, you know? I guess now's a good time as any. Don't fall. Don't fall. You know, this is why I love the APU on this truck. I would have never been able to use this with a regular inverter, man. It just takes so much power. Not really the saute function right now, but anything like air frying or anything else, man, it just sucks up the power like crazy. Alrighty. I'm missing something. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay. That's all good. I need 1 bottle of water. My last one, how about it? See, I need to go to Walmart, peeps. That's what I was telling everybody. You're going the wrong way. Dang it. Oh well. Well. Stir that in, make a good baseline. Ah, I know what I was forgetting. The secret sauce. You can't leave home without it, or cook anything without it, to be fair. Garlic powder and onion powder. Oh yeah. I love this stuff. I don't know if some of you can guess what I'm making yet. Pretty sure you can. Spaghetti. Maybe a little more. Maybe a little more. Well, no, these noodles get pretty thick, so if I remember correctly. No, it might have been the other noodles. I think I got like gluten-free noodles or some different kind of brand of noodles with my last spaghetti dish. And yeah. They were pretty big and large and weird. I don't know if it's the same brand or not that I had last time. get out of the Alright. You're just supposed to layer these. You're not supposed to stir. And then add the rest of the water. Oh yeah, where's my freaking pan? The lid. Can't believe it. Yeah. I still say whoever invented freaking barbecue buying of sausages deserves a special place in hell. Those are disgusting. So disgusting. Let's go 10 minutes. No, let's do 8. No, let's do 10 just in case. Yeah. Alrighty. Let's put the good stuff away first. Ow, ow, ow. There we are. There we are. And here we go again. Alrighty. Now, alright. Now these can go right here and stay perfect. I won't ever fall. And then my holder for the can openers. Dude wipes, man. Best invention ever. You know what I mean? I need to clean this truck, man. It's getting on my nerves. I'm almost in Texas. So the weather should clear up and I should be able to clean my truck, damn it. We gotta do something drastic. Yes, there's a trash can up there. That's what I'm throwing this into. Yes, swans. Alright. Alright. That was a pretty big video that I did today. I couldn't cut it down anymore for you guys. It is what it is. %. And look at this. Just so you know how dedicated I am to you guys. Can you see that? Been in Sleepy Bird 3 hours, 43 minutes. "44 minutes now. That's how dedicated I am for you guys. I ain't getting no sleep tonight. Because, I don't know how well you can see this, but... See? I'm leaving here at 10:30 a.m. And, I gotta make it to my fuel stop, Fuel City, Oklahoma City. And that's gonna be at 6:40 p.m. Then I'm only there 10 hours 30 minutes until I gotta be at delivery at 8:50 a.m. My appointment's at 9. It's gonna be crazy. Gonna be crazy. So I gotta drive 8 hours tomorrow on what? Probably 3 hours of sleep. Yep, that's gonna be great. Yep, this is the freaking lights updated, man. I don't usually have this rainbow bullshit, you know. The program that controls the lights updated, and I just haven't been bothered, man. I know there's like a keyboard shortcut where I can change it. No, it's like I don't know. I can't be bothered. I can't be. Wait, what? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, look at all the cool ones. Yeah, there we go. That works. And I use DaVinci Resolve for all my video editing. It's a pretty cool program, and it's free with no ads, most importantly, you know. All this is red because I always delete my files so I don't get confused on the next day, you know, from my dash cam and the headset I'm using now, my Action Pro 5 camera or whatever. Yep, that's what I use anyway. Alrighty, I'll get back with you guys when the food's ready. Alrighty, food's ready. Oh yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, it is those steak noodles. Or are they regular size? I don't know. I've always cooked spaghetti like in weird ways with not enough power on my appliances. So these might be normal size for all I know, and I've been undercooking them all the times I've cooked, you know. I can't even speak. I'm so tired. Alrighty, I'm gonna eat this up. Get a couple hours sleep.